I'm going to demonstrate the various methods in which you can view vehicle history within Garage Hive. So I'm going to start. There are two types of history. There's document-based history, where you go from document to document, and then there are something called service ledger entries, which allow you to see all of the labors, items, external services, etc., that are searchable from within one screen. So we're going to start with the document-based vehicle history. Now, the easiest way to do this is to go to posted documents, posted job sheets, and then you can very simply just search for either a customer or a vehicle, vehicle's registration or a vehicle number. From this point, you can just open a document up and it will take you through to the actual posted job sheet, which has the comments, pictures, time registration entries, etc. You can scroll through the documents as well. So you can just very simply, very easily just have a look at all the documents that relate to that particular vehicle or that particular customer. So that's the first method, and that's document-based history. The most commonly used one will be searching directly from within the job sheet that you're in. So I'm just going to open a job sheet to show you this example. So from within a job sheet, if you go to lookup in the header, you can view MOT history, but you can also view the vehicle history. So this takes you through to the what's called the service ledger entries, which looks like a noisy screen, but it's designed to be very quick and very functional. So you don't need to search through the documents if you're looking for something in particular. So let's look at some common scenarios. The vehicle's come in for a service, and you're trying to understand very quickly when it last had, let's say, a pollen filter or spark plugs or a brake fluid change. Well, from within the service ledger entries, this allows you to use the search function, and you can search for whatever you like, and it will bring back all of the labels and items related to what you searched for. It will give you the dates, the part numbers, the job sheet numbers it relates to, and the technicians and the mileages as well. So you can see who did it, when it was done, and what date it was done. And then if you wanted to actually look at the document that relates to this, you can simply select Show Document. And again, it will take you straight back to the job sheet that relates to the particular entry that you've just searched for. So very useful for very quickly establishing what's been done to the vehicle, something in particular that's been done, and when it's been done. Technicians also get access to the service ledger entries, so from within their job sheet on their tablet, they can also look at this history as well. It's really useful when you are trying to understand what's due on maintenance schedules. The third way is from the fact box on the right hand side. You'll have this button here called last visit date, and this will actually show you what was done the last time the vehicle was here. Again, you can open the previous document as well using the show document. So that's very quick access to the last time the vehicle was actually on site. So that's the most common way that you'll actually view the vehicle history as well. But then let's say you want to just view the vehicle history without a job sheet. If you go to vehicles, search for the vehicle. From here, you simply highlight the vehicle, select history, and you can view the vehicle history like this as well. So you can see the service ledger entries again. So perhaps a customer's on the phone and they're just ringing up to say, can you just tell me when I had these tires fitted? You can very easily, although I don't suppose there are any tires on here. Let's just have a look. So I could just search tire. Oh, there is a tire. So very easily, without me having to go document to document, I can very easily identify that they had a tire fitted on the 26th of March at 75,000 miles. And the description and part number of what was fitted as well. So the final way is actually from the vehicle card itself. If you go history up here, you can see the posted job sheets and the vehicle history, which is something that we've actually already looked at as well. So again, from the vehicle card itself, you can actually get through to all the documents that we've just previously looked at. So that's vehicle history in Garage Hive. It's designed to be extremely practical. Other systems make you go through the documents one by one to try and identify when something was last done to the vehicle. In Garage Hive, we have the service ledger entries, which allow us to search across the entire history of the vehicle and bring back every single time the vehicle's say had a tire or had a brake fluid change very easily using search. And like I said, that data is also available to the technicians. I hope that clears things up. Any questions, please let me know.